Brainy-Bubbles, ABC Kids Fun Alphabets.
A for apple, A for ant. A says A. B for ball, balloon, me dribble. B says b. C for cat, cow, turtle. C says c. D for dog, D for drummer. D says d. E for elephant, gum. E says E. F for fish, F for family too. F says F. G for goats, G for great sport. G says good. H for hat, H for hen, no. H says I for ice cream, I for ink, combo. I says I. J for jam, no. J says J. K for kite, K for keyboard. K says K. L for lion, M for lever. L says L. M for monkey, M for moonco. M says moon. N for net, M for netball, no. N says moon. O for olive, O for orange blood. O says O. P for parrot, P for penguin, P says P. Q for queen, Q for crow. Q says Q. R for rat, R for rainbow. R says S for sun, S for star. C says S. T for tiger, T for train. T says T. Says you. V for violin and song. V says V. W for watch, W for watermelon. W. S for xylophone, no. X says X. Y for yo. Y says what? Z for zebra. Z for
Please share, and subscribe for more videos.